Alright, we're at our guest house near Glisdadir, somewhere here. Is our guest house, I think. Not this. Our guest house is somewhere here, I think. And today we're gonna go to walk paths. That's this one. And then we're gonna go to the Stadla Gill Canyon. And this is our room view. Beautiful view from the room window. Good morning. You sleep well? Yeah. And there is Lhasa. A small bathroom here.
No, it's not bathroom. It's just a sink.
Yeah, it's just a sink. Okay. But 4 beds. And then go. Let's see. Can you get the keys, please? Okay. So they have shower for this guest house. These are the toilets and seating area. Nice little seating area. They have some games in that cupboard. This is a breakfast place. More shower options here. More shower options. There's the map of Iceland. We are here right now. We started in Reykjavik. We did a whole circle here. We stayed here. We stayed near here for two nights. We stayed in Reykjavik for 1 night. We stayed here for 2 nights. We stayed here for 2 nights. Now then we travel all the way. And now we are here for 1 night. Then we're gonna stay here for 1 night. And then we go back. May take a long way back and cover the whole this part of the west coast. Easily. Oh, good. What is today?
August 31st, 2024.
August 31st. Today is Saturday. And today we go to a few places. We go to a canyon. Then we go to a cave, water cave. Then we go to a lagoon, forest lagoon. Then we go back to a new Airbnb. Alright kids, say hi. Where are you?
Iceland.
Alright. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Our work is about trees and design. दिखाने वाला
कुछ नहीं होता बहुत सुंदर डांस है What is it?
Studolgal.
Close to Studolgal Canyon.
There's the car spot.
Studolgal Canyon. Now I just learned the name. And today is August 31st, 2024. These canyons, I was told by Amit that these canyons are very beautiful. I'll find out when I get there.
Not these canyons, there's only one canyon.
One canyon. Whatever it is.
This canyon is
Okay, we are recording August 31st.
What canyon is this?
2024.
What is the name of this canyon?
No, this canyon is
What?
Studolgal.
Huh?
It's Studolgal. I got the name Studolgal Canyon. And see, my voice is shaking because the car is shaking, okay? And Amit told me this is a very beautiful canyon. So when I go there, I'll find out. I want to say bye and see you soon.
There's a parking there.
Oh, parking, nothing interesting about
This
it.
is Studolgal Canyon.
Studolgal Canyon. See, I got the name.
Alright, so this is Studolgal Canyon. See, that's the canyon. See how awesome it looks? Lasta! Lasta! Alright, there's a beautiful waterfall here. Studolgal. That is a beautiful waterfall. Look at that. Nice. Come here. way. Woo. That is scary. That's the canyon. We're gonna go further down where the rocks are. Alright, so this is a canyon. They're building viewing points there. So that's 1, that's 2, 3, and then that one's open. That side. So this viewing point is open, and then these are being built. A lot of construction going on. It'll do another viewing point there. So that's where you go down. You see a lot of people there. A lot of crowd there. That's the best spot for pictures. So you came to the best spot. If you go that side, you can't go down. This is where, from this side, you can go down. See? If you went that side, you would only have been able to go to that viewing point, and that would have been it. So now you can go all the way down. That's the best spot. People already have drones out. That looks so nice. What? This is what.
That's, I think, that area.
Yeah, that's the famous area, and then this is also where you can get some nice pictures. But this looks so beautiful. But the best view you get from this side, not from that side. I don't know why they're building that side. They should have built it this side. Because this is where you get the nice rock view and everything, which you can't get from that side. So makes no sense why they are building it that side.
Nope.
Look at that canyon. Say hi, girls. See how beautiful this canyon is?
It wasn't my phone, right?
Yeah.
I want to take your phone. Daddy, move. Ah.
You want me to take a picture of you pushing this cliff?
No, I'm fine.
You want to? Let's do this. I'll take a picture of you. Come. Ship crossing. Right at the ship crossing. Done with the Golden Gill Canyon. Now we head back. Conch! Alright, we done. Go back. Didi is already way ahead. She's all the way there. Walking too fast.
Sheep. There's so many sheep here. Oh my God. They all walk together.
Two of them, not 2.
They're protecting the black one. Or what?
Yeah, the black one is the king, and that
Sure,
on the
sure.
2 there are the queens. The queens are
Oh my god. Now they look very dangerous to me.
nice. What are they
They're
doing?
fighting. They're eating the same thing. अमित तुम गाड़ी पे ध्यान दो. तो मैं करती हूँ.
डीजे वाली में मेरा गाना चलाते, डीजे वाली में मेरा गाना चलाते। डीजे वाली मेरा गाना तू चला दे।
Okay.
Right, this sulfur.
I think we should have gone here.
Can you smell it?
So many people. It's a proud mountain.
हो गया है. थोड़ा zoom out करना होगा. हाँ हो गया हो गया.
Oh my god, so much sulfur.
Smelling.
Yeah, you can smell it. Ahead, Mama, ahead. Oh, yeah.
I don't like this smell though.
All of a sudden, I want to eat
You want to eat ice? After you smell sulfur, you feel like eating ice? Okay.
Something is
What
wrong
do you
with
feel like eating after smelling carbon monoxide?
That's a poisonous. Okay, geyser. Another geyser on the way. Is it?
Very mountain.
No,
That's a factory.
that's a factory. What? Why are you asking me to take that?
I took a video of the mountains. Good. Maybe you can use this.
Alright, am I going the right way?
You keep telling me to record, so now wait for the wind.
Right, Lava House. Look, different.
cheap crossing का sign था.
That building.
पहली बार देखा.
It looks at
Force
looks like
Hotel
they're
again,
building
है ना?
World War Z.
Yeah, hotel.
Looks like a cool town. It's like a chain. Called Force Hotel. Look at that. Look here. This, Kansh, come. It's Tulgura Falls. Look at those rapids. Crazy.
Head north. Turn right, then make a U-turn.
Look at those rapids. Crazy rapids. It'd be awesome for whitewater rafting.
I don't believe this.
Yeah, that's what Mama said. She.
I told you that.
Alright, let's go.
I think I should become a doctor here, then move to America. Imagine the money I'd make.
Yeah.
A doctor
You
here?
become a doctor here?
Yeah. And then for every.
Alright, say bye to the mini Niagara Falls. See, that's Niagara Falls of Iceland.
Yes, where's the border? What is this? Iceland and the ocean?
You're in Canada, Iceland, Canada part right now. Canada part of Iceland.
Oui, oui, baguette.
Alright, bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Kansh, say bye bye. Look at these all apartments. Such cute apartments.
Yes,
Yeah.
this is looking somewhere livable.
After crossing the tunnel, we see, city. Like this city is really looking like such
It's
a.
very beautiful too. Right next to the shore.
This is in shore. And
I think this is like a bay area.
we just crossed the forest lagoon behind us. This is tourist attraction place now.
Some new building. Third signals are so cute and Mama lost it.
I took it.
ख्वाबों के बीच कच्ची जमीन पे हमको बोना है आशा के मोती सांसों की माला हमें पिरोना है अपना बोझ मिल के साथ ही हमको ढोना है
We are going to our cabin, which is very remote.
But it is close to the main city. But it's still.
Close to the forest lagoon. About 30 minutes away
Yeah,
from forest.
and the grocery and everything.
The city is nearby 20 minutes.
But still, I feel like it's still remote.
It would be nice to have that remote cabin experience. Between the mountains.
Yeah, these mountains are looking cool. Like you can see the glacier on top of the mountain. There are three of them. And I see more trees here. I don't know why.
I really hope we're going to the right place.
We are not. We
You
are,
saw the direction, Nash.
if we are not, we are going to be 1 hour away from it.
You saw the direction, Nash.
Mama.
You saw the map, right? Copy paste. So we did it.
No, this is. Looks like the right place. Feels like the right place, so it should be the right place.
We're so close to the mountain, huh? Yeah. This place is gonna be cool too then. Huh?
Oh my God! We are going to get this view. It's our house is right here. Alright. Going to our cabin.
This is the view and the entrance.
There it is. Yes, this is it.
Your destination is on the right.
Oh my God!
Careful, there are rocks.
They are the owners, and then this is where we go. Look at the view we get. Oh my God! You see the hot tub? Right there. What else do you want? Oh my God, this is amazing. I love it. How do you get in?
And we don't have a key.
Alright, we gotta figure out how to get in. Alright, get in.
Woohoo!
You didn't get the breadsticks?
Come on, Robin.
Alright, look.
Nice.
This is your double bed.
Okay.
This is a sofa bed. That's a master bed.
Oh, so then are you and what about the
Yeah, or we can sleep there, you can sleep here.
No, we sit here.
Either way.
Oh, okay, we sit here.
And then look at the shower.
Yes, the bathroom is pretty nice.
Oh. Yeah.
Jose, where's the heater?
walk. Completely remote. Some houses far away. Nice hot tub. Hello.
Right, I closed the...
Yeah. Hello. God. Look at the view behind, look at the view in front. Sunset right there, top of those mountains with snow caps. जन्म 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 साथ चलना यूं कसम तुम्हें कसम माँ के मिलना यही एक जान है भले दो बदन हो जुदा मेरी हो के हमेशा ही रहना कभी ना कहना अलविदा मेरी सुबह हो तुम और तुम शाम हो तुम दर्द हो तुम ही आराम हो मेरी दुआओं से आती है बस ये सदा मेरी हो के हमेशा ही रहना कभी ना कहना अलविदा बस तेरी है मुझे नशों में तो नशा बन के घूमना यूं ही मेरी मोहब्बत का करना तू हक ये अदा मेरी हो के हमेशा ही रहना कभी ना कहना अलविदा मेरी सुबह हो तुम ही और तुम ही शाम हो तुम दर्द हो तुम ही आराम हो मेरी दुआओं से आती है बस ये सदा मेरी हो के हमेशा ही रहना कभी ना कहना अलविदा अलविदा
Good morning. This is September 1st, 2024. Iceland. This is our last day here in Iceland. This beautiful morning here in Iceland. This cottage that we are in.